Hello YouTubers, and once again welcome to another Doctor Who action figure review. This time I shall be taking a look at a Dalek, which is a bronze Dalek, with light and sound effects and remote control as well. Now as you can see, this Dalek is a lot bigger than the 5-inch Doctor Who action figures, and you could say it's not really classed as a figure, so technically it's not a figure, but it is, if that makes sense. But I thought, because this video is my 150th video, I thought that I'd take a look back down memory lane and review this Dalek, which in memory is probably the first ever Doctor Who merchandise I ever got, as I got this for Christmas 2005, and it was definitely the best present I ever got that year, because I was just so thrilled by it, and I was just so excited because obviously I was 10 years old and the Daleks used to terrify me as a child, so it was really brilliant having this remote control Dalek. So for the 150th video, I thought I'd take a look at this. Now, as I said, this Dalek is a lot bigger than the 5-inch counterparts. I will just give you a quick look at the 5-inch figures up there, so you can see what the 5-inch Dalek figures are like, and that in particular is the Cult of Skaro set, the first ever video which I ever did, and you know that's all the other Series 2 figures I have as well. And then down there is Series 3 and Series 4. And I just get back down here so you can see like the size scale difference to that Dalek and to those Daleks up there. So now I'll give you a look at the main feature of this, and before I do, I'll just go through the articulation. The eye stalk can move up and down, the head can move a bit, but it moves once it's in motion, and the whisks and the plunger can move as well, and the wheels at the bottom can move as well, like so, and it's on 3 wheels like the 5-inch Dalek figures as well, which is very normal. And of course the detail is pretty much the same as the bronze Daleks, which like most of the new Whovians have come to know and love. As you can see, we've got a sticker here, and it says "Press to play sound." It's it's that "Try me" sticker, as they call them, and this has 3 settings, and it's on the bottom. So it's a kind of like the light and sound effects TARDIS, and here you've got the button, and you just switch it, and it's off, on, and try me. So I'll just switch it to try me mode for now, and you can see the eye stalk is not lit up. Yeah, the eye stalk does light up, which is pretty impressive, I must admit. One of the best things about this is the eye stalk lighting up, and the headlights also light up. So if I just press this, you can see it talks, and the headlamps light up as well. And you can just press that and it says a different number of phrases. But that's not the best part. as the best part for me is when the Dalek itself is in motion. So if we just take a look now at the light, you can see that the LED keeps switching on and off. There we go. So I'll just get it into the camera so you can see. So you can see that the LED light inside the eye stalk pupil area is lit up, which is very good. And I put this onto the on mode now, which is basically the remote control mode. I'll show the remote control. It's very nice. It's painted bronze, just like the Dalek, and it's got the Russell T Davies Doctor Who logo. It's got an antenna here to send the signals. On the back, you've just got all the codes and all that type of stuff, and it says made in China as well. And you've got all the buttons and the phrases, what it says as well. So you've got seek, locate, exterminate. You will obey the Daleks, obey. Halt or you will be exterminated. We are the supreme beings. And of course, got a button when it says its iconic catchphrase, exterminate, and you also have some gun sound effects with it, which is very good. We've also got some joysticks here as well, and at the bottom of the controller we've got the on and off switch. So if we turn it on now, here is the best part of this, what this does. So you can see the Dalek is got controls and it can move, which is really good. And if you press like both of the joysticks together, it makes it move forward, but if you just move one of them, it'll spin around. Likewise, depending on which joystick you move as well. And you can hear like the squeakiness on this, because I've not used it for quite a long time. So it is really good. Even now, I love this to bits. It's just really good. Really like it. So I just get him to move a bit more into the camera, and you can make him say stuff while it's moving. So, for example, then you can get him to exterminate. Which is very nice. And yeah, each button as well, some of them have like 2 quotes as well. So for example, seek, locate, annihilate also has seek, locate, destroy, which I think is awesome. And that's pretty much it. Unfortunately, the blue LED light has come off for some reason. I don't know why. There might be a fault with it, I'm not sure. I might try and fix it now. So yeah, it does like to come on and off now and again. It's come back on now, so hopefully it'll stay on. So I'll just give you another look at what it does as well. So I just make him look at the camera and get him to say those words. Exterminate! But of course I need him to face the whisk towards us, so say it again. Exterminate! 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 We are the supreme beings. But you will be exterminated. You will obey the Dalek. Obey! Obey! It was really addictive. I had fun with this, just playing for hours with this Dalek. So, once again, YouTubers, thank you very much for watching this action figure review, and thank you to all of my subscribers. I have over 100 subscribers now. Thank you very much, and I hope you've enjoyed all of my videos, and I hope you've enjoyed this video, which is my 100th and 50th video. So, once again, YouTubers, thank you very much for watching, and before I go, my friend just likes to say,